students completed their tour guiding academic practical exam on the 28th to 30th June 2019. So basically, the objective of this academic learning trip is to put in practice their tour guiding knowledge learned in classroom into practical use. Secondly, to expose students to the actual and tour experience whereby they have to plan and feel the tour themselves. Thirdly, to provide hands-on training on the planning, execution and management of a tour. And last but not least, in line with the green concept and philosophy of the university, the student will expand their knowledge on the sustainability by visiting and learning about the interdependency between the environment, flora and fauna, and the whole ecosystem. So students, I wish you will score my exam very well. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Largenev Christopher and I am from Diploma in Tourism Management. So my experience in this day trip for 3 days and 2 nights, it's really good and also challenging because we have to walk in the forest and do a lot of stuff, but it's fun. So overall it's good.
Hello guys, I am Iman Hanan from Diploma in Tourism Management and I'm here in Sandakan having a tourist guide subject, and from my experience here I learned a lot, like the nature of Sandakan and the species, and also I learned about how and we can learn from the professional tourist guide like Mr. Gary, and I want to say special thanks to Miss Esther to give us a chance to have this amazing tour.
Hello everyone, I'm Hazabil Tan from DTM SEM 4 Diploma in Tourism. I've been participating for this field trip, Sandakan trip, 3 days, 2 nights. And we have visited Labuk Bear, Sun Bear, Sepilot, Rainforest. I've learned a lot of things here. And me and my friends really enjoy the attractions here. We learned a lot about Sandakan, about the wildlife and all. And I think you should too. Thank you.